So guys, welcome back to our channel. Welcome back to this wonderful place, wonderful family wey be say a place where we come and learn every day. We study to know better, we make mistake to correct ourselves. So guys, if it's your first time of coming across of our videos, if not the first time wey you dey see our video, if na first time wey dey get pass you come see us, abeg no your rush, come on, click the like button, share this video, subscribe, so anytime wey be say I go drop any video, you will be the first person to get a notification. So guys, in today's video we are going to learn a lot, but today I get the package wey I wan give una be say how to open an email account. An email account, if you buy new phone you need email account, if you buy computer you need email account, if you wan open carry your children go school they need email account. So you need email account everywhere of today life. So I no sabi do am na because say you no wait to watch videos. I no sabi do am na because say you no create time make you take learn, na because say you no ask questions. So anything wey you no understand feel free to drop am at the comment section, okay? So oh yeah, now work don start. I love you guys. So today talk be say welcome, so if na first time wey dey pass see my video, abeg ya click am, click the like, subscribe, share this video. So by so doing you are blessing a soul. Okay, so hello everyone, hello my people, welcome back to my channel. This is MG Madam Gift. So today's video I go teach you on how to open email. I want open email and you don't know how they say the opener, so follow me. But before we start, if it's your first time of watching my videos, of coming to this channel, please kindly subscribe to the videos, subscribe to the channel, click the like button and share the video as well, so that anytime we say I go put video, you will be the first person to get notification. So guys, let's go. So this is your laptop and your computer with this. You can still use your phone as well. So what you go do be say you go your Chrome. This one be Chrome. Also you pass in this you go to your Chrome. You can have other ones as well, but go to your go Chrome. You click it. When you click on page like this go up. So what you go do be say now, like this one now, I get email here before, but not my old email now. So what I want to do here now, I want to sign in. So I want to like add another account, but for those maybe for your laptop now or your phone where you use, you never like maybe you not signed before, so you just follow this. You can just write it out in this place. You write Gmail and it will come out. So what you go do, so to create an account, because you never get email now, you know, because if you come here now, you go tell me you put your email. After you put your email, I go say me you put your password. So because you never get email now, so what you go do, you come to this place where they write create account. You understand? Create an account. So you click on. So yeah, now you go ask, say now for the account where you want open, now for personal use, for your children, or now for work, which is business. So since now personal use, now you go click now children, you want open this account for this email for, you go click this one. If now for your business, you click this one. But this one want put on now for personal use, so you click this one, which is the common one. So yeah, now you just put which name we want put now. Maybe we just put put first name BB. So surname is optional. The surname will be AAA 3A. So you click next. You see now the name we put now say no, it's not good. So maybe we just change, put another one. Africa na name now. Africa, maybe our surname. I should say now the Africa Joy Africa. Name now Joy. Why the surname now Africa? So you collect them. So the other place we go give you now is going to ask you your date, basic information. Now you put here now, you put on the day 12, the month, which is your date of birth. We put December, the year. We put which I want put now? Year 2000. So here you will ask whether now your gender, male or female. So let's put female. And if you see the other place, you write say rather not say it or customize, meaning is optional. So we just choose female and click next. You click next. Then you now come say choose your Gmail address. Now you come say Africa Joy, A Joy. So this one they look like Africa Joy 0 @Gmail. We click this one. We come here. You click. Then he said, "No, put password." So make we put a password for inside. And password now the right, so confirm your password. So now, so to open email is very easy, not so hard like that. I know say for some people I go say e no hard because you don already sabi to do. Yes, e no hard. I just to put mind. If you put your mind, anything you put mind, you dey know am. So we don put the password now. You click next. E no go because the password suppose to contain number with a symbol. So make we just put symbol. Put this one. Put this one. Okay. So you click next. Now the password don go. The password wey we put you go make sure say the password reach eight numbers like that. So that 8 numbers, maybe you put capital letter, then you use small letter, then you go come still add number which like 1 2 3 or any number wey you choose. Like you come put symbol mean say you go put like dot or comma or at yahoo. You understand? So it's may put a recovery email. Add a recovery email. If you get other email where you get, you put this is optional. Then the address where Google can contact you if there is unusual activities in your account or if you get locked out. So this recovery email is very important in case maybe you lost your password, you don't remember your password, or somebody hacked your account. You go for somebody to get alternative email, so you go put them for here. But for this one, we are going to skip it. Let's go. You don't skip on now. He asks for add phone number. Google will use this number only for account security. So me now want to skip this phone number. But if you want to open now, you need to like put the phone number or can click next. So me will skip on. So our email now, you don't get ready. See now, we don't open email. Can't you see it's very fast? Now we get Joy Africa. You see now, Africa Joy @gmail.com. Then you can use the email address to sign in later. So we don't get them. So quick. Express manual. So we click. So choose your setting. We're going to choose this Express. So we choose Express. Then we click next. You know, so very easy. This is data. So we are going to accept all. Web activity setting. We are going to still accept. You just click your card on this second. We accept. Privacy and themes. You agree. And the size are the ones. So very easy. So now if they ask me whether make this one continue for me, not continue, they say continue in level perfect. So because an email has already opened down, you understand? Because an email is already opened down. So what we do here now, we just say accept. So when I click accept now, let me mark it. The diamonds are bienvenidas. Okay. Let me leave this place apart. What are we going to? Which color are we going to choose? I choose this. Echo. It's finished. Continue with smart feature. Turn on smart feature. We click this. So simple. Personalize Google, just like choose the first one. Finish. Your account settings have changed. You need to reload. Okay, we reload. You see, now we don't open email. This is your inbox. Google now, you don't write to say information inbox your Google account. Hi Joy, welcome to Google. Your new account comes with. Okay, let's click it and see. So your new account comes with access to Google products, apps, and services. Confirm your option and write for you, review and change your privacy, security, and confirm. That's that. Open. Welcome to Africa. The next week to so guys, what do you think? I hope you enjoyed this. Now we have opened our Gmail. So if somebody has to say, what will be your email now? So you can give it to the person. Now we don't put our email. You see, it's already here. If I want to sign out, you sign out. If you open your email, if you want to sign out, it says I take click here just now. You come here, click on, pack on. This is the email. Hi Joy, and you can sign out from here or add an account. So that is it, guys. Thanks for watching. Please, before you go, click the notification button, share the video so that maybe so other people will never know go see learn from this one. Thank you for watching, and God bless you. Drop for better one. I want to drop for these videos now. For this my YouTube, I don't come back again. Now better today. I know some don't miss me a lot though. Me not dey sorry, I never drop videos since. I did very busy. I can't put myself for one kind of business where be say. But all the same, I thank God that be so faithful for all the beautiful support that you guys have been giving. God that be so faithful. So I don't know. I wish I know. now I know. Na the way they end down. So may you know. Thank God I know now. Now go be our last talk. Thank God I know now, and I don't know So follow mama, follow me. Stay here for this channel. Always they like they check say, ah, mama not drop video, mama not drop video. I go drop now. Better thing I want to